Alright, so what you're seeing is a damaged garage door. I accidentally closed it on my garage, on my trash can, and it ended up bending it like this, see? The bracket is broken, the glass is broken, so we had to get it replaced. The bracket broke off the hinge and the beam. Those two needs replacing along the glass. And we called a repairman. They will come out today to fix it. It's been out of shape. Here's the new beam. What it looks like outside. See? Remove the hinge. Now it's slide it down. Now we're gonna fix it. We'll loosen these.
Hả? Yeah.
Top panel.
Take the
That's the arm that pulls the garage door open, attaches a bracket to the top panel. You have to remove the screws of these hinges to disassemble the top panel. See? The truck looks good, no damage to the tracks. Careful with the glasses, which broke. You have the pull handle, the manual release. So we remove the broken piece right here. There's the broken piece compared to the one we're replacing with. See?
You see this part?
Yeah.
Okay, understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you understand what is the problem.
Okay, we hammered it in the shape so it's flat. Now we put the bracket back on. We added 2 additional screws to put the extra. And then now we put the new stabilizer bar, and then we put the new hinge on. We're gonna replace the broken window.
Yeah.
We replaced the glass.
Cái bát này mình để đây. Rồi giữ mấy cầu thang qua bên này.
Alright, so the repairman is done. They spent about almost 2 hours. Let's take a look at that. Unless you look carefully, it doesn't look like it has been damaged before. Just minor vertical dents there. But if you look far away, you don't notice any difference. So let's go ahead and close this. Or open it first. Smooth like butter. But there is one downside. They weren't able to find the exact fitting piece of glass. It's a little bit smaller, but with the border, it doesn't really, it's noticeable. Okay. So it's quite labor intensive. I can't imagine doing it by myself. I know I can, but it would probably take me so long. And 2 people, it still took about 2 hours. And because I don't have no power to that, I can't use the automatic. So I have to use manual closing by holding down the override button. I'm just happy it's finally fixed. Alright, so that's how you fix a garage door panel. Hope this helps. Good luck.